What is up, everyone? Today, we're diving into the 5 altcoins I believe are set to absolutely explode this October. The crypto world is buzzing, and the legendary October pump is almost here. I've spent hundreds of hours researching, and these picks are backed by real tech, partnerships, and user growth. We're not just talking small gains. These projects could change your financial future. I'll break down exactly why each coin could be your ticket to financial freedom, and at the end, I've got a bonus tip that could multiply your gains even further. So don't click away. Grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get ready to make some serious money. This is the most important video you'll watch all month. Let's go. First up is Solana, or Sol, a project that's gone from Ethereum killer to genuine top contender. Solana's claim to fame? Blazing fast transaction speeds and fees so low they're almost free. While other networks struggle with congestion, Solana processes thousands of transactions per second, making it perfect for real-time apps like trading and gaming. This low barrier to entry is attracting a flood of new users and developers. Major brands are taking notice. Visa, for example, now uses Solana for USDC settlements. That's not just crypto hype, that's mainstream adoption. Solana's developer community is rolling out upgrades like Fire Dancer, making the network even faster and more reliable. They're fixing past issues and building for the long term. The DeFi ecosystem is thriving, with projects like Jupiter handling massive volumes. Solana is also leading in DePIN, decentralized physical infrastructure, with projects like Helium and HiveMapper migrating to its network. Even meme coins are bringing in new users, creating a sticky, active ecosystem. Price-wise, SOL has shown resilience and is forming a strong base, ready for a potential breakout. When the October pump hits, Solana's fundamentals, adoption, and retail excitement could put it at the front of the pack. To sum up, insane speed, negligible fees, major partnerships, critical upgrades, and a booming ecosystem. Solana isn't just a promise anymore, it's a powerhouse. That's why it's my #1 pick for October. If you want exposure to a project with real momentum, Solana is where you start. The next few months could be game-changing for SOL holders. Don't sleep on this one. The market is watching, and so should you. Solana is ready to lead the next wave. Keep your eyes on SOL. Let's move to the next pick. The October pump could be Solana's time to shine. On to number 2. Number 2 is Polygon, and its token, Matic, a project making Ethereum usable for the masses. Think of Polygon as a high-speed expressway next to Ethereum's crowded highway, solving congestion and high fees. Developers can launch apps on Polygon for faster, cheaper transactions, all while tapping into Ethereum's security. Major brands like Starbucks, Nike, and Disney are building on Polygon, onboarding millions into Web3. This isn't hype, this is real-world adoption at scale. Polygon is pushing forward with its 2.0 vision, aiming to become the value layer of the internet. The upcoming Pol token will let holders validate multiple chains and earn rewards across the ecosystem. Polygon's investment in zero-knowledge tech is a game-changer, enabling privacy and massive scalability. With zkEVM, Ethereum apps can migrate to Polygon for instant speed and lower costs. The developer community is thriving, constantly launching new dApps and pushing boundaries. Polygon has a foothold in DeFi, gaming, and enterprise solutions. Matic's price has been consolidating, looking like a coiled spring ready to pop. When sentiment turns, Polygon's adoption and innovation make it a prime candidate for explosive growth. Polygon isn't just a sidechain anymore. It's becoming essential to Ethereum's future. If you want exposure to Ethereum's growth, Matic is a must-watch. The next phase could see Polygon at the center of Web3. Don't overlook this one. Polygon is building the future, today. Let's keep it rolling. Next up, Chainlink. Here's why Link is critical. Third on the list is Chainlink, or Link, the backbone of DeFi and real-world data on blockchain. Blockchains can't access outside data on their own. Chainlink solves this with decentralized oracles, securely delivering real-world info to smart contracts. Without Chainlink, DeFi as we know it wouldn't exist. Top projects like Aave and Compound rely on Chainlink for price feeds, making it the industry standard. New projects integrate Chainlink by default, because it's trusted and secure. But Chainlink isn't stopping there. The Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, is set to connect different blockchains, enabling seamless communication and token transfers. CCIP could become the universal standard for cross-chain activity, a true internet of blockchains. Chainlink is also key to tokenizing real-world assets like real estate and stocks, a market worth trillions. Major institutions, including SWIFT, are already experimenting with Chainlink for asset tokenization. The Link token powers the network, paying node operators and securing the system. Staking is being introduced, letting holders earn rewards and further securing the network. Link has a history of long consolidations, followed by explosive moves. Right now, it's in a major accumulation zone. As CCIP and real-world asset tokenization take off, demand for Link could skyrocket. Chainlink is deeply integrated into crypto and bridging to traditional finance. Its current valuation looks low compared to its potential. When the market wakes up to Chainlink's full scope, Link could re-rate much higher. If you want a project with real utility and staying power, Chainlink is it. Don't miss out on this foundational piece of crypto. Next, let's talk Avalanche. Here's why AVAX is on the list. Fourth is Avalanche, and its token AVAX, a platform built for speed, scalability, and customization. Avalanche isn't just a blockchain, it's a launchpad for other blockchains, thanks to its unique subnet architecture. Subnets let anyone create custom, high-performance blockchains tailored to their needs. This is attracting major gaming studios and financial institutions. Games like those from Krafton and TSM are building on Avalanche subnets, aiming for millions of users and transactions. Avalanche is also working with giants like KKR to tokenize real-world assets, opening the door for institutional adoption. The AVAX token secures the network and is required for staking and transaction fees. As more subnets launch, demand for AVAX increases, and all transaction fees are burned, making it deflationary. Avalanche's DeFi ecosystem is mature, with projects like Trader Joe leading innovation. AVAX had a big run-up, then consolidated, shaking out weak hands and building a strong base. With gaming and institutional narratives heating up, Avalanche is primed for the next leg up. The October pump could see AVAX capture massive attention and capital. If you want exposure to both gaming and finance, Avalanche is a top pick. The ecosystem is growing fast. Don't get left behind. Avalanche is ready for prime time. Watch AVAX closely this month. Now let's wrap up with our final pick, Arbitrum. Here's why RB is a sleeping giant. Last but not least, Arbitrum and its token ARB, the king of Ethereum Layer 2s. Arbitrum bundles thousands of transactions off-chain, then posts them to Ethereum, delivering fast speeds and ultra-low fees. It's already processing more transactions and users than Ethereum itself. The ecosystem is massive, with hundreds of dApps and top DeFi protocols like Uniswap and Aave. Developers can migrate apps to Arbitrum with almost no code changes, fueling rapid growth. Recent upgrades like proto-danksharding have slashed fees even further, making Arbitrum more accessible. Arbitrum Orbit lets projects launch their own custom Layer 3 chains, opening new possibilities for high-performance apps. The ARB token governs a well-funded DAO, with billions in its treasury to fuel ecosystem growth. Incentive programs are attracting users and liquidity, giving Arbitrum a huge edge. The token is new and hasn't seen a full bull cycle yet, but it's carving out a strong bottom. As capital returns to Ethereum, Arbitrum's dominance and growth make it a top target. The gap between its on-chain strength and token price is a huge opportunity. When this sleeping giant wakes up, the move could be explosive. If you want exposure to Ethereum's scaling, ARB is a must-watch. The October pump could be Arbitrum's breakout moment. Don't miss this one. That's our top 5. Now for your bonus tip. Here's how to maximize your gains. You made it. Here's the bonus tip. Don't just buy these coins, use them. Try Jupiter on Solana, stake Matic, play a game on an Avalanche subnet. By using these networks, you'll understand their value and position yourself for potential airdrops from new protocols. It's like getting paid to do your research. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Crypto is volatile, so do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Be smart, be safe, and let's make this a profitable October. Which of these coins is your favorite? Or did I miss one you think will explode? Drop a comment below. If you got value from this video, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make this October legendary.